2017 Chevy Suburban 5.3 liter Haas beast of a vehicle. There's the stock converters there and there. Then we put a high flow converter instead of the regular restriction converter there. Then what we did is we did a muffler delete because I had a Flowmaster 40 series, but it was too quiet. He had it done in Maryland, but he came to visit friends in Nashville and heard about us, so he came by. So we cut the muffler off and put a Y pipe in its place right there into his existing tailpipes that he had done over there in Maryland, into 5-inch roll tips that we changed out for him because he had those little tiny 3-inch tips that don't look appealing on this huge Suburban. So we said we can fix that, and we did. Hope you guys like it. There it is. That's how you get it done. Straight pipe Suburban. Like always, please like, comment, and subscribe. 2014 Chevy Tahoe with some 26 snowflakes there. 5.3 liter V8. What we got done on it for you guys. Got factory converter there. There. And the dreaded third cat there. I hate that cat. The new ones don't come with them, so, which is a big plus. Then what we did is put a DYNOMAX race bullet, part number 24215, 2.5 in, 2.5 out, right there. There's a factory flex pipe, and then we added pipe to it, 2.5 pipe into his 3-inch tailpipe, and then we cut the resonator off that goes usually here, and put a massive 5-inch tip rolled right there. As you guys can see, there's the resonator we cut off, there's the muffler we cut off, and make sure you always cut this off, which is the flap, because it will rattle if you don't. There it is. This is after. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And look, they put the Escalade lights on them, so I love that. Really nice. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. There'll be a link in the description for everything that you saw in this video. Much better. You like it? I guess not. She was walking by. I was asking a customer, but so much better. There's sound decibels. 107. Much better. Sounds so much better. Looks better too than what it was. Chevy Suburban. Premium edition. That sounds so good. Beautiful. What do you guys think? Let us know. We'll let you hear it on the inside. DYNOMAX race bullet. Wow, I like it. Oh, I like how he depatched it all too. That sounds good. That's a 251. Again. 102 on the sound decibels. He didn't want it too loud. He wanted a nice deep tone. That's why we didn't put the smaller bullet on it. The 250, we put the 251. So if you guys want just a nice deep tone, that's what you do. You wanted it classy, not raspy. Hey, that rhymes. Classy, not raspy. That's nice. And it will get a little bit louder once it breaks in about 30 days. That sounds really nice. He's a veteran, guys. Thanks for his service. That sounds really nice. Let you guys hear on the inside. I like that grill on the front. Jump it off. Straight pipes. Chevy Tahoe DYNOMAX race bullet, 6-inch tip, resonator delete.